I came here to have my transmission repaired. Fantastic service, fantastic everything. I cannot say enough for this company here. I know because I was a mechanic one time, shop foreman and service manager. I know something about the business. Plus I've been a businessman and run 3 companies. Any work I have to have done again, I will absolutely bring it here. It's nice to find good, honest, knowledgeable people in the business. I like to say a lot more, but I'm not a person who is an actor, so I do my best to say the most I can to this company.